This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a Klaviyo account. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing platform that can help you manage customer relationships and grow your business. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, setting up your Klaviyo account is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, you'll need to head over to Klaviyo's website, open your preferred web browser, and type in klaviyo.com. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Sign Up button. Give it a click to begin the process of creating your new Klaviyo account. Next, you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to provide some basic information to get started. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's one you check often, as Klaviyo will send important notifications and updates here. Then, set up a strong password. A good password typically includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps keep your account secure. After entering your email and password, you'll be asked to provide your company name. This is an essential step as it helps personalize your account and ensure that your communications are branded properly. If you don't have a company name yet, consider using your personal name or a placeholder that you can change later. Next, you'll need to enter your website URL. This is important because Klaviyo uses your website information to help tailor your email campaigns. If you don't have a website yet, you can skip this step for now, but it's a good idea to come back and complete it once your site is live. Finally, you'll be asked to provide a phone number. This is an optional step, but adding your phone number can be useful for account recovery and for receiving important notifications from Klaviyo. Once you've filled in all these fields, take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy. When you're ready, click the Create Account button. Klaviyo will begin setting up your account, and you'll soon receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox and your spam or junk folder just in case for this email. Once you receive it, click the link provided to verify your email address. This step is crucial as it ensures that you have full access to all of Klaviyo's features. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Klaviyo account. From here, you can start exploring the platform, setting up your email campaigns, and diving into the various features Klaviyo offers. Remember, taking the time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools will help you make the most of your new account. Thank you for following along with this quick guide on how to create a Klaviyo account. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy marketing!